Hello, what is a synonym? A synonym is a word that has a similar meaning to another word. Synonyms are words that can be interchanged to convey the same or very similar ideas or concepts or emotions. Utilizing synonyms enriches the language and communication. Synonyms offer writers, speakers and readers a diverse range of vocabulary choices to avoid repetition and enhance overall clarity and variety of expression. So let's dive in and experience 4 C1 level native English words with several synonym examples. Aplomb. Aplomb means self-confidence and assurance, especially in demanding situations. Here are example sentences illustrating the use of the word aplomb. Despite challenging questions from the audience, Fiona answered with complete aplomb, displaying her extensive knowledge. The actor performed on stage with remarkable aplomb, effortlessly delivering his lines and captivating the audience. Even in the face of unexpected setbacks, Fiona maintained her aplomb and guided the team towards a successful resolution. Fiona's ability to handle high-pressure negotiations with grace and aplomb earned her respect amongst her peers. Dick's aplomb during the intense job interview left a lasting impression on the interviewers, showing his readiness for the role. Here are 5 synonyms for aplomb, along with example sentences for each. Confidence. Example sentence. With unwavering confidence, Fiona addressed the audience, delivering her speech flawlessly. Assurance. Example sentence. The coach's assurance in his team's abilities inspired the players to give their best efforts. Poise. Example sentence. Despite the unexpected challenge, she maintained her poise and handled the situation with elegance. Composure. Example sentence. The conductor kept his composure even as the unexpected technical glitch disrupted the concert. Self-assuredness. Example sentence. Dick's self-assuredness in the boardroom discussions demonstrated his deep understanding of the industry. Disseminate means to spread or disperse information, knowledge or ideas widely. Here are some example sentences illustrating the use of the word disseminate. The conference aimed to disseminate the latest research findings to scientists from around the world. Social media platforms provided a powerful means to disseminate the information rapidly to a global audience. The organisation's mission is to disseminate educational resources to undeserved communities. Fiona encouraged her students to disseminate their innovative ideas through academic publications. Dick launched a campaign to disseminate awareness about the importance of recycling. The news agency has a responsibility to disseminate unbiased and accurate information to the public. Here are 5 synonyms of disseminate. Spread. Example sentence. The virus began to spread rapidly, prompting health authorities to take swift action. Distribute. Example sentence. The charity's volunteers worked tirelessly to distribute food and supplies to those in need. Disperse. Example sentence. The protesters gradually dispersed after peacefully expressing their grievances. Circulate. Example sentence. The rumour began to circulate around the office, causing unnecessary anxiety amongst the employees. Propagate, example sentence. The botanist's goal was to propagate rare plant species to help preserve biodiversity. Eloquent. It means the ability to express oneself fluently and persuasively in speech or writing. It involves using language effectively and beautifully to convey ideas, emotions, or arguments. Here are 5 example sentences using the word eloquent. The poet's eloquent verses painted vivid images of the nature's beauty. The CEO delivered an eloquent speech that inspired the entire company to work harder. Fiona's eloquent essay on social justice moved many readers and sparked important discussions. The novel's eloquent descriptions of the characters' emotions allowed readers to connect deeply with their struggles. During the debate, Dick's eloquent response showcased his comprehensive understanding of the issue at hand. 5 synonyms for eloquent, along with an example sentence for each. Articulate, example sentence. The professor was articulate in explaining complex theories to his students. Expressive, example sentence. Fiona's expressive dance conveyed a range of emotions to the audience. Fluent, example sentence. Being fluent in multiple languages, Dick easily navigated through the diverse crowd. Persuasive, example sentence. The lawyer's persuasive arguments swayed the jury's opinion in favour of the defendant. Well-spoken, example sentence. The politician was well-spoken during the debate, presenting his ideas clearly and eloquently. Meticulous. Meticulous means to be extremely careful, precise and thorough in one's work or actions. It involves paying close attention to details and ensuring that things are done accurately. Well, here are a couple of example sentences using the word meticulous. The architect was meticulous in designing every aspect of the building, resulting in a structure that was both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Fiona was known for her meticulous research methods, leaving no stone unturned in her quest for accurate information. The accountant's meticulous review of the financial records uncovered several errors that had gone unnoticed. Here are 5 synonyms for meticulous, along with an example sentence for each. Precise, example sentence. The artist was precise in capturing every subtle shade of colour in the painting. Thorough, example sentence. The researcher conducted a thorough investigation, leaving no aspect of the topic unexamined. Diligent, example sentence. The student was diligent in studying for the exam, reviewing all the course materials. Methodical, example sentence. The scientist followed a methodical approach in conducting the experiments, ensuring reliable results. Systematic, example sentence. The librarian had a systematic way of cataloguing all the books, making it easy for the patrons to find what they needed. Well, I hope you are now more aware of synonyms and how much you can enrich your conversations and written words. I will come back to synonyms in later videos. But if you enjoyed this video, then please subscribe and maybe enjoy some of the idioms and the history and what they mean. Well, I'll see you all on the flip side.